Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I welcome you all to our new edition of online class. Today, the topic I want to discuss with you is money and capital markets. Money and capital market. What is money market? Money market is a financial institution that obtains securities or lend loan to the general public on a short-term basis. That is the meaning of money market. The money market is a market where you can obtain a short-term loan. Maybe you want to use that money within a year for a particular purpose. You can go to money market and obtain that loan. And all the commercial banks, all of them, they engage in money market. You can obtain a short-term loan from all the commercial banks and some other financial institutions. Now, what are the functions of money market? Number one, it provides loan to promote rational allocation of resources. Now, they provide loan for general public to be able to make use of that loan to develop their projects or to do some financial obligations. Those are the number one reason. Two, it encourages savings and investment. Through the money market, you can be able to save, because you need to have a savings with bank before they can issue out loan for you. By that, it encourages savings, and not only that, it's also encourage investment. The loan you obtain from the money market, you can use it to invest on business or whatever you wish that you want to invest your money on. Three, it helps transfer of funds from one sector to another. A sector where there's excess funds can be diverted to other sector that need of funds. By that, it helps to transfer funds from one sector to another. Money market also helps in that direction. Another functions of money market is it serves as an agent to implement monetary policy of central bank. All the monetary policy of central bank, the monetary policy, that is how the central bank regulates the money in circulation. The money market helps to do that, to assist the central bank in implement their monetary policies. Next is instruments used by the Nigerian money market. There are some instruments that the money market use to sell, to give out loans to the general public. Number one is treasury bill, and that is treasury bill. That's number one. Through that treasury bill, they can sell bonds, they can sell the other things to the general public. The general public will buy, and they will have the interest on that. And that money they get from selling of treasury bills, they can divert it to other sectors of the economy where they need funds. Two is treasury certificate. Treasury certificate is just a certificate that give you that you have a particular share with a particular commercial or any other financial institutions, and you have your interest on that. Another one is certificate of deposit, a negotiable claim issued by a bank in return for a time deposit. That is the certificate of deposit. That is when you have a deposit with them for a particular period of time, just like a deposit money or deposit account. But there, you are giving out your money, your excess money, to the money market. So they will to use that money for investment purpose to other sectors that need of your money. That is the certificate. Another one is commercial paper or compulsory promissory note. That's commercial paper. That is popular for business transactions. That it can give you that promissory notes that you can use it to transact for your business through the money market. Another one is bankers unit fund. Bankers unit fund. Bankers unit fund is a what the bank use out to get funds for their investment to the general public, and likewise the call money or paid money. All these one are used by the bank. they are used by the shareholders to call up money to be able to use that money for investment. They call money from general public for investment purpose. Now let's go to another one. We go to capital market. Capital market. Capital market, this is a market for money, mobilizing one-time security. You know, in the money market, it is a short-time loan we get from the money market. They say that is a loan within a month and 12 months, or some months more than that. But in a capital market, the loan that you get for there starts from almost 2 years. For a loan that will be paid for a period of 2 years, and 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. That is what you call where you can get that loan. The duration, the payment duration is more than 2 years. Is through capital market. They mobilize those funds and they give it out to the investors who need the money to invest. Now, what are there are two types of and the security that they mobilize in the capital market. There are two types. Number one is debt and equity. Debt and equity. What is debt? A debt is a financial claim that attracts interest, which to be paid at a future date. No, it's a financial claim. You have a financial obligation on from somebody that you give your money to that person, and that person will pay it with interest in a future time. That is the meaning of debt, and that one is part of the security they sell in the capital market. Number two is equity. Equity capital is the capital of the owners or shareholder of a firm. In other words, is the ordinary shares. That is the shareholder, the capital they have in that business is what we call equity. That one you can sell. They can also sell part of the shares of a company in the stock exchange market, so be able to generate additional funds to make the business move forward. Now, Nigeria capital market. What are the Nigeria capital? Nigeria, we also have our own market. We call it Nigeria capital market. It is categorized into two major types. Number one is primary capital market and secondary capital market. Now, what is the function of primary secondary capital market? The primary capital market, they issue out securities such as subscriptions, right issues, debentures, stock preference shares, state bonds, and unit trust. No, debenture is a fixed interest rate on a loan, while state bonds is that one state government uses that one to generate funds for the capital project in the country. Those are the and the Nigeria capital market. It is note this: the primary market is used new security. It's a new security. It's not an existing security. New one, new debentures, new shares, and new bonds. Those are the ones they use in the primary capital market. But in the secondary capital market, they issue existing security for sale and purchase, and the market is controlled by the Nigeria Stock Exchange market. The secondary capital market that one is different from the primary capital market. Primary capital market, you can obtain new securities, new shares from there. But in the secondary capital market, you can only they trade only existing security. The meaning of that is that the already existing shares in the company, that's what they traded in the secondary capital market. And that is the difference between the primary and secondary capital market. Let's go further. Now, let's look at the following institutions are trading in the capital market. In the capital market, those who trade in capital market, number one is Central Bank of Nigeria. They trade in capital market. 2, commercial and martial banks. All the commercial and martial they trade in the capital market. 3, development banks. Development bank, they trade in the capital market. In essence, I've explained the meaning of development bank to you. Development banks are banks that they give loan for capital projects in the country. Now, number 4 is insurance companies. They also trade in capital and stock broking firms, or the brokers. those who link the buyers with the sellers of shares together. Those who link data, we call it stock broking firms. They also engage in the capital markets in Nigeria. Next, let's go to the function of Security and Exchange Commission. I told you that Security and Exchange Commission, they control our money market in Nigeria. They control money markets in Nigeria. What are their functions? Number one, they determine the price of security of the company and time to be sold to the public. The security of the company, that is the price of shares that the company want to issue out to the public. They determine time that share will be available to the public. Number two, they register all the security proposed to be offered for sale. All the security, all the shares, the bonds, the pensions that they want to register, they want to sell to the public, they register them. They have a file, they have a document, they document everything, so that will be orderliness. Number three, they maintain orderly, fair, equitable dealings in selling shares. They make sure that there's no cheating. They maintain orderly, they maintain fair treatment in selling shares in the market. Number two, they supervise all investment advisors, security dealers, and their agents. They supervise them. Anybody that wants to engage in the money market, they supervise and regulate them. And again, they review, approve, and regulate mergers and all form of business acquisition. If you want to have a business acquisition, you want to merge with another company. Your business want to have merge with another, like the Skybank that merge with other banks in Nigeria. Sometimes they form Polaris Bank. It is this particular money market that make sure that they approve that merge, and so on and so forth. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one, which is the function of Nigeria Stock Exchange. The function of Nigeria Stock Exchange. Some of you may have heard about stock exchange. We have stock exchange markets in Nigeria, and their head office is in Lagos. The head office of stock exchange market is in Lagos. What are the functions of this stock exchange? Most of us will be hearing, when we listen to news, business news, we'll be hearing stock exchange. There is particular trade at the floor of stock exchange market, and they will be telling you all those things. What are the functions? Number one, the provision of a meeting place for selling and purchase of existing stocks and shares. Stock exchange market is a meeting place where all the existing shares. You know, I told you, stock exchange market control capital market in Nigeria. They are not controlling the money market. There's another one that I told you that control the money market, which is Security and Exchange Commission. Security and Exchange Commission, they control the money market. Why capital market is controlled by the Nigeria Stock Exchange market? And it's a place where you can sell and purchase your existing stock and shares. If a company want to list out their shares, so be able to get a fund or capital for their business, they need to go to Nigeria Stock Exchange market to sell their shares in the floor of the stock exchange. They list their shares and they sell it there. Now, number two, they mobilize private and public savings as fund to the public for production purposes. Now, they also mobilize money from private and public. You know, when the company want to list their share, they want to trade at the stock exchange market. All these funds, they will get fund from the general public and the public to make available to those what do you call it, the firms that are trading their shares in the stock exchange market. Next one is enlisting foreign business to offer their shares to the Nigeria for subscription. Yes, they also engage the foreigners, the foreign business, multinational companies to trade in the Nigeria stock exchange market. So they can also say a foreign business can also make fund available to Nigerians here. They can subtract to the other foreign companies. They made it. It is the stock exchange market that made this thing easy for us. Another one is prescribing a requirement for new listing and regulating secondary trading activities. All the trade activities in the stock exchange market, it is Nigeria stock exchange market that regulates everything. Those are the functions of stock exchange market in Nigeria. Inshallah, this is where we stop today. I wish you best of luck. Inshallah, please, there is an assignment for you. When you, in your notes, you get the assignment and you do it and submit it at the stated time. I wish you best of luck.